Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by reclaiming resources. Close media-heavy tabs and any background apps using CPU or GPU. Once done, update Chrome so you have performance fixes. This prevents known slowdowns. Next, clear cache and cookies for sites that misbehave. This removes corrupted data that can delay page loads. While you perform each step, watch Chrome's Task Manager to confirm memory and CPU drop. These actions are fast but critical, because they immediately reduce contention and reveal whether deeper fixes are needed. You now tackle mid-level causes. Open Chrome, / extensions and disable suspects, because extensions often inject scripts that slow pages. After disabling, test browsing to see measurable improvement and then remove permanently if needed. Adjust site permissions, block autoplay and legacy plugins that chew CPU so pages load leaner. Also toggle hardware acceleration. On some systems it reduces lag, on others it causes stutters. Make one change at a time and profile using DevTools Performance to understand why each tweak helps or hurts. Finish by isolating user profile corruption. Create a fresh Chrome profile or reinstall when problems persist, because corrupted preferences can cause consistent lag. Then rebuild a lighter profile, import only necessary bookmarks and extensions to keep Chrome responsive. If that still fails, test browsing in incognito or a different OS user account to separate system-level issues. Troubleshooting tip: if lag continues, check for conflicting software like security suites or GPU driver faults. Update or temporarily disable them to identify the root.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.